Hi everyone, I'm from Multiplewarnas kitchen and today I'm going to show you how to make poached eggs. So I'm using only 2 eggs today. So first thing you have to do is take a big pan like this and add water and let the water to come to a boil. So while this is coming to a boil, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, since I'm using 2 eggs, I have taken small glasses like this and I'm going to break the egg inside them, each glass for 1 egg. Okay, once you have done this, just keep it aside and let the water to come to a boil. Okay, you can see how the water is boiling. Give it a swirl like this. Right after you give it a swirl, pour in the egg. So this is what you should do and wait for a few seconds. Now I'm adding the second egg. Okay, again just wait for a few minutes. You can see this 1 egg is cooking. Okay, if you see, my eggs has been poached and it looks ready. Just remove the excess water, put it on a plate. You can serve your poached eggs in any way you like, but I usually serve it with a dash of pepper. And here you go, poached eggs. Let me open and show you how it looks like. It's cooked beautifully. Let me open the other one to show you. I like mine a little bit cooked, so that's why my yolk is not that runny, but it's up to you on how you like your yolks to be. So you can remove it from the water as fast as you want, or you want it to cook it like me, you can also do that. Okay, let me taste my egg. Wow, it tastes really good, guys. You should really try poached egg at home. You can also put it on top of an avocado toast. That's a better way to eat it. But like I said, it's up to you on how you like your eggs. So here you go, guys, poached eggs, and this is how you do poached eggs. Thank you for watching my video. Please click like, comment, share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel Multiplewarnas. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.